Welcome back, Python enthusiasts. We've officially reached day 78 of our 100 Days of Python series, and today, we're diving into the world of containerization using Docker. We'll explore how to package your Python applications into containers so that they can run consistently across any environment. Let's get started. Before we get hands-on, let's first understand the concept of containerization. Containerization allows you to package your application and its dependencies into a lightweight, isolated container that can run uniformly in any environment, whether it's your local machine, a server, or the cloud. And for this, we use Docker, which is a platform designed to simplify containerization. Docker allows you to create, manage, and deploy containers efficiently. If you don't have Docker installed yet, head over to docker.com and download it for your operating system. Once installed, make sure Docker is running by executing this command in your terminal. You should see the Docker version output if it's properly installed. Now, let's dive into creating and running containers. Containers are essentially instances of Docker images. These images are like blueprints that contain your application and its environment. First, we need to create a Docker file, which defines what will be inside our container. Let's start with a simple Python app. Now, let's create a Docker file in the same directory as our app.py file. With our Docker file ready, let's build the Docker image. Run the following command in the terminal. This command builds an image using the instructions in the Docker file and tags it as myPython app. Now that we've built the image, we can run the container using this command. You should see "Hello, Docker" printed in the terminal. This is your Python app running inside a Docker container. Now that you understand how to create and run containers, let's Dockerize a slightly more complex Python application. We'll create a Flask app and run it inside a Docker container. Create a simple Flask app. Next, let's create a Docker file for our Flask app. Don't forget to create a requirements.txt file for Flask. Now, we'll build and run our Flask application in Docker. Visit http localhost 5000 in your browser, and you should see the "Hello, Dockerized Flask app" message. And that's it. Today, we covered the basics of Docker and containerization, created and ran simple Docker containers, and even Dockerized a Python Flask application. Containerization is a powerful skill that will simplify the deployment process and ensure that your applications run seamlessly in any environment. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for notifications. See you tomorrow.